The freedom of the nation changed the air all around. The young nation was ripe with opportunities. Businessmen set up business empires that helped shape the newly made state, Pakistan. In 1948, such a businessman started a legacy. Sayyid Ali Akbar Rizvi set up PCI, Pak Carpet Industries. In the busy local hub of Sadr Karachi, which contributed to the economy of the country. In 1948, we began with the trade of handmade carpets. And by 1951, we established Pakistan's first handmade carpet manufacturing unit, dedicated solely for export. Owing to the extraordinary performance of the company in the international market, PCI was awarded the President's Export Trophy in 1969. Weaving through success, by 1978, we developed our own needle-punched carpet production line. And by 1984, we had further developed our capacity and began the production of woolen machine-made carpets. The journey continued with a motive to keep on moving and expanding. Even today, with a strong foothold in the market, we are driven by our mission to provide our customers with total solutions. We aim to consistently innovate and display passion in whatever we do. Till date, we are the largest retailer of machine-made carpets in Pakistan. From one destination to another, we gained the trust and made a name in the market by delivering exceptional products and services, which made us stand tall and helped us grow. Over the years, PCI developed a strong, widespread network in Pakistan, with offices nationwide and a workforce of 500 employees. PCI Group comprises of 3 companies: PCI Interiors, PCI Automotive and PCI Materials. PCI Interiors. Our interior designs are not only aesthetically sound and exquisite, but comfortable, reliable and inspiring for the clients. The tools and equipment used are state-of-the-art to deliver the best techniques from the start till the final execution. PCI Materials. We believe in innovation and advancement in technology. PCI Materials focuses on the production of synthetic carpets, non-woven fabric, geotextile, and specializes in engineering-grade textiles to meet the requirement of automotive textile industry. Through smart tactics and strategy, in 2014, PCI Materials further diversified into manufacturing of plastic packaging by adapting blow-molded technology to cater to the needs of the growing packaging industry of Pakistan. PCI Automotive. We have an extensive manufacturing unit for producing auto parts with state-of-the-art machines which increase the production capacity more productively and efficiently. Our storage facilities are fully equipped and spacious enough to store the final products and to ensure the quality. PCI diligently applies Japanese system of management in order to maintain quality, company standards and values. Our ever-expanding fleet of supply vehicles is specially customized to meet the customer's expectations. Our trained resources are the backbone of our organization, and we make sure their motivation level never diminishes. Their hard work, passion, and willingness are the result of our success. The planet we live in is our home. We wish to do our part and make this world better and livable for mankind. PCI is committed to achieving high standards of environmental management system and providing safe and healthy working environment for all its stakeholders. Our environment policy revolves around 5 pillars. And safety policy consists of 6 pillars. Our ISO 14001 certification is evidence to our commitment to being an environment-friendly and responsible organization. With such a diverse portfolio of excellence through the years and continuous achievements, PCI has led the market with multiple awards to its names. Our achievements, services and growth are only worthy if we be a true citizen who does not only take care of the clients and customers but the society as well. Our contribution is not only constrained to our achievements but for the others who will be carrying on this journey of success in the future. To fulfill this contribution, we came up with the Akbar Foundation in honor of our late chairman Sayyid Ali Akbar Rizvi. This foundation plays an important role in making the lives better through assistance in the areas like social welfare, education, health, sports and fine arts. We have achieved a lot in this long journey, delivered our best to meet the needs and provided great experiences. But this journey isn't over. There is a lot more to achieve and explore the new opportunities to make our experiences better, to make our relationships stronger.